Greetings, beautiful creatures. My name is Angel Nightmare. And starting today, the makeup tutorials are back every single day, except for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but every day. So far in this look, I've already put foundation on, and I'm putting contour on, and I'm doing the nose contour thingy stuff, you know, the stuff. I gotta watch my language because YouTube's probably gonna demonetize this video and nobody will ever see it because it'll be hidden in search, but it's probably already demonetized because I said words in general and they don't like me because I don't know, because I'm not Logan Paul or Jake Paul or... Right here, I'm just drawing on some eyebrows using eyeshadow at first to map out kind of where they are, and then going back over it with eyeliner to make sure that I get the best, most even possible eyeliner whatsoever. But it's never going to be even. It's never even. Don't lie to yourself. It's never going to be even. Just accept it. I'm just filling it in with a little bit of eyeshadow to make the blacks a little bit more even. Then we're going to use this angled flat brush, is that what it's called, to put some of our foundation around the eyebrow to make it more straight, because you know you got shaky hands and sometimes you had too much coffee before you did your makeup, so you got to fix your mistakes and make it look more even. This is the ancient technique passed down for generations, used to do what we call making our eyebrows on fleek. What year is it? Oh, and also I would like to point out that all of the items that I'm using in this video, most of the items, all of the items, I don't know what I used in this video, are going to be in the description below. So be sure to look at the description to see what I used if I don't mention it in the video or show it in the video, which I most likely forget sometimes because where am I? Who's that? Oh, y'all need to get y'all some of that shit. This is Wet n Wild's matte liquid lipstick. It's comparable to Jeffree Star and Kat Von D, except for it's $5. Hey, you can't beat that. Next, we're using NYX's eyeshadow base. Very cheap, really essential. Helps your eyeshadow stick to your face better and be more vibrant. It also helps prevent creasing if you have wrinkly eyelids like myself. All I did was apply some with a brush, and now I'm just blending it in and patting it around with my finger, and I think I actually used a little bit too much, but it doesn't matter. I'm beautiful shit. Just using some red what? Now we're just using some red eyeshadow, putting it underneath our eyes, just doing a little smoky under eye with the red, and make it look like you're dead, make it look like you do heroin. Demonetized. You know, this is a really easy look to do and recreate. Just get some eyeshadow, put it under your shits, and then you're done. You're done. Now it's time for the smoky black eyeshadow. This is the part of the video where I'm supposed to iterate to you that you're supposed to spend a lot of time blending and making sure everything's all smoothed out. We all know that by now, but most of the time, I don't even do that myself. That take a lot of time. If it look good enough, I'll be like, all right, screw it, let's go. I recorded that take like 10 times because I kept saying fuck it instead of screw it. Why are you spending all this time editing? The video gonna get demonetized anyway. Yeah, but I'm just gonna keep blending here at this part to make it somewhat look like I know what I'm doing, so I don't embarrass myself in front of all of the professional beauty gurus here on YouTube. Next, we're just using some cheap red eyeliner, and then we're just gonna put that underneath our eyelids. Try to get close to our waterline and stuff, you know, just darken on that little red line. Make it look like we abuse. You really want to get demonetized, don't you? Next, we're going to do our eyeliner, which I'm using the same liquid eyeliner that I use for my eyebrows. Ideally, I would prefer to use, and I prefer you to use, gel liner for this, but I'm broke. Gel liner will make it easier to apply, and it would also be easier, I think, on people with wrinkly eyelids like myself. But I could be completely wrong. It's been years since I've used a good gel liner. If you guys know of any that I should try out, leave it in the comments below, but don't leave no like $30, $40, $50 gel liners in there because that stuff's gonna stay at the store. Oh, are we done? And that is today's simple goth makeup look for beginners. But no, seriously, this was a pretty easy look. All I did was foundation, light contouring, smoky eyeshadow, black on top, red underneath. You can experiment with different colors. I drew my eyebrows on. You can fill yours in. You don't have to shave your eyebrows. It gives you a creepier look if you want to go for something that's more evil. I would recommend it, and also I think it looks better. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, smack that notification bell, and bite that like button on the way out. I'll see you in the next video.